In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Gemini on Gmail. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. So if you've been using Gmail recently, you might have noticed some new features powered by AI, particularly one called Gemini. While these features can certainly be helpful, not everyone wants to take advantage of them. If that sounds like you, I'll walk you through the steps to disable Gemini and related AI functions in Gmail. First, grab your computer and open up your Gmail. Yep, we are going to do this using a desktop browser, so make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you've logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your Gmail window. You should see a little gear icon, which represents your settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. When the menu expands, you'll want to look for the option that says See All Settings. Go ahead and click that too. Now you'll be taken to a more extensive settings page, and you'll want to make sure you're on the General tab. Once you're there, scroll down a bit until you see a section labeled Google Workspace Smart Features. This section is where we'll find the settings that control Gemini. Once you spot this section, click on the button that says Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings. This will open a pop-up window with options you can toggle on or off. In this window, look for options that reference smart features in Google Workspace and also smart features in other Google products. You will want to uncheck or toggle those off. After you've done that, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the pop-up window. This is an important step because if you skip it, your changes won't be saved, and you'll still have Gemini active in your Gmail. Before we finish up, let's review some important details you should know about turning off these features. Disabling these smart features means that you won't have access to AI helpers like Help Me Write, email summaries, and smart suggestions. But it's not just the new stuff. It also disables classic features like Smart Compose, Smart Reply, and automatic event extraction in your calendar. So if you relied heavily on those features, turning off Gemini may take away some functionalities that you previously enjoyed. Even after you turn off these features, you might still see a little Gemini sparkle icon pop up in different places within the interface. Don't be alarmed. It simply means that these features exist, but if you click it, it'll prompt you to turn the smart features back on, rather than providing you with any AI-generated assistance. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully managed to turn off Gemini on Gmail. I hope this clear and simple guide has helped you navigate the process easily. If you want more tips and tricks like this, or if you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I can't wait to share more useful content with you. Until next time, happy emailing, and take care.